Hello and welcome back. In our previous video, we showed you how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10 and Windows 11, but now we're going to go ahead and show you how to create your first Hyper-V virtual machine. So let's go ahead and start off. We're going to look for the Windows 11 ISO. We're just going to go to Google. We're going to type in Windows 11 ISO. That's going to bring us to this page. Make sure that you actually get out to the Microsoft.com page and not somewhere else. You'll go ahead and go down here to where it says download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64. We're going to go ahead and press the drop down box down here, choose Windows 11, and we're going to go ahead and press download now. It's going to ask you for an language. We'll go ahead and choose English since that's what I speak, but you choose whatever language you need. Then you're going to go ahead and press confirm, and it's going to bring you to this page. You'll get this button that says 64-bit download. We'll go ahead and click on that and it'll start downloading. And after a little while, you'll have it shown up over here. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit of time, but I downloaded this ahead of time, so we didn't have to wait on this video. All right, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and press start, and we'll search for Hyper-V Manager. We'll go ahead and click on that. And let's go ahead and click New Virtual Machine. And it's going to go ahead and have us do a few things. It's just saying that this is the wizard. We're going to give our virtual machine a new name. We'll call it Windows 11 Test Machine. And for now, we'll go ahead and use the default, which is C, Program Data, Microsoft Windows Hyper-V, but you can store your virtual machine in a different location if you want. You might need to do that if you have your drive separated, the OS versus your data in a different drive, or if this data needs to go somewhere else. So go ahead and press next. We're going to choose virtual, or you can choose between generation 1 or generation 2. I'll go ahead and leave it at generation 1, but we can go ahead and discuss the difference in another video. It'll ask you to assign some memory. I'll leave it at 1 gigabyte of memory, which is 1024 megabytes. And network card, I'll go ahead and leave that at this is not connected. We'll go ahead and go over Hyper-V networking in another video. I do cybersecurity, so there's some reasons that you might want to leave this not connected. So if you want to be able to detonate malware in this, that might be one of the reasons you would leave it not connected. So we'll choose not connected, and we'll go ahead and do connect virtual hard disk. We're just going to leave as the default name Windows 11 test machine.vhxd. .vhxd is just the extension for a virtual hard disk. Okay, and we'll go ahead and give that 127 gigs. You can increase this to whatever depending on the size of your disk. But let's go ahead and click next. And it's saying install an operating system later or install from a CD, DVD, ROM. Let's go ahead and choose this because we have the ISO file downloaded already. If you don't have the ISO file, or if you want to decide what you're going to install later, you can choose install an operating system later, and you'll just have a blank machine ready to go. So let's go ahead and go to our downloads folder, and we'll choose the Windows 11 ISO. We're going to go ahead and click on next. It'll give us a summary of what we're creating, and we'll go ahead and click on finish. This is going to do some things like getting the virtual hard disk created for us, and it gets that set up pretty fast for us. So now that we have it, let's go ahead and right click on our new machine, which is showing up here in the virtual machines window, and let's go ahead and click connect, and this will create a new window for us, and we can go ahead and click start, and it'll actually boot this Windows 11 test machine up. And that's really all there is to it. We'll have to go through the Windows 11 install, just like we would any other Windows 11 machine.